Hello everyone. So apparently I've been getting this issue on my Hermes agent. So whenever I type something, so it'll give me some error like the model provider fail after retries, and also on Discord, like when I say hi, so sometimes it doesn't respond, or even if it's responding, so it says gateway is shutting down. So this is how to fix this thing. To fix this thing, it's creating issue when you are doing this on your Hermes agent if you are connected with the GPT. So to do that, so they have already fixed the issue. So they just said they fixed the issue and it is now fixed, and seem to change the spec by doing Hermes update. So just go to your Hermes here and just type Hermes update, and so this will take some time. So just type Y and click enter. So it says it has been updated. So it says updated. So let me try here, go to Telegram and say hi, and it's typing now. So let's see. So now it replies me back. So basically this is how you fix it. So now it has already started responding my con job. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.